I have
Snehal?
a question. Sometimes what happens is student comes to us and we feel that she is in depression, but they doesn't accept it and they feel it कि हाँ मतलब ऐसा कुछ है but नहीं मुझे ये नहीं है तो how to guide them for
They'll not accept.
medical help.
I swear they'll not accept it all. Presently, one lady is there in my clinic. She's coming actually, and she will never accept that she's in stress. But
हाँ
trust me, all the time she'll be messaging me ki like this is there now, this is happening, that is happening, and she does a lot of Google. So matlab zara what something happens, she messages. I said, what is this then?
it's
Then
not about
they'll
only the pregnant women in healthy people also
not
sometimes
accept.
मतलब I feel कि they have not too much of depression but a little bit
Anxious is
depression they
there.
have but they don't feel it because I know one of my friend the kid is 3 years only and I don't know what happened during her pregnancy when doctor pulled out the baby na there was some deformity in baby's hand so baby is not able to move his hand so I think that is the main reason of depression in her, but she never accepts it. She says कि I think कि what if this happened to me as well because she delivered a normal delivery थी, normal vaginal birth था, and during her pregnancy she didn't face any complication. But at the end, this happened to the child. I think this is the reason, and she comes to me for yoga class. It just 2 months back, but when I do some conditioning also, na, she's like that वो मतलब उनका चलता ही रहता है तो हाउ टू मेक हर काउंसिल फॉर मेडिकल हेल्प आई थिंक शी नीड्स मेडिकल हेल्प फॉर दिस और शुड बी गो अहेड विद काउंसलिंग एंड ऑल
Therapy directly will never tell anyone for medical help because once you go to any kind of psychologist or psychiatrist, both are different.
हाँ
Then it goes into a different turn where people think in a different way. As I told, mental health is very important, but still people are hesitant to talk about it. They think it is, matlab, they won't accept it immediately. That is what they say.
हाँ
Either you या नहीं तो make someone involved in your team who is into therapy and sessions. If she is ready to take those sessions, fine. नहीं तो involve her if you really want to help her. Then help in this way. Get her into some therapy or sessions. It will help.
always she has a pain in this part she always says कि मुझे ये pain करता है ये पूरा I think stress is the reason behind that
Yes.
because I never make him to use मतलब these muscles in any of the exercise and she complained that कि जब से मैं योगा आई हूँ ये pain बढ़ गया I need to massage it thrice a day and
Yeah.
all
See, many people who are in stress or any kind of this, no, they'll have very frequent illness. Small, छोटू illness they'll have. Some or the other issues they'll have. They will have. Get into therapy sessions, nothing wrong in that. At least she'll be able to accept the fact and live with the present moment, whatever is that.
what can we do in that मतलब अगर मैं कहूंगी थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाओ she will never go
Still
because she
not go.
doesn't accept it हाँ
Still not go. So,
so
you,
and
if
I
you,
don't have any therapist in my friend circle so what should I do what
that
any
to make her
technique
understand the importance of it, make her understand what is what, give her a clarity, then at least she'll go and find a person and she'll get it better. If she, and thing is, only you can help yourself. So even if you're showing her the path also, she can only help herself, ma. So if she really want to be more better person, then she has to make little effort, put little effort.
today so I advised her to go to a orthopedic doctor who can tell you maybe the doctor will tell her the reason is a stress so she needs
Training.
training
No, not all medical professionals will tell directly because if you go to ortho, they'll see that give you anti-inflammatory painkiller. And if it is very severe, then they can put you on any kind of steroidal pills. That's it. They'll not tell. No, they'll not tell.
and only anti-inflammatory and painkiller is the solution of this
Also, yes, that is only line of treatment when you go to ortho, especially. And if it is any kind of catch or spasm, then they'll give you antispasmodic. That's it. Just as a friendly thing, you make her understand. You tell what are the things and not because if she is going through the like this, then obviously the baby or the kid will get affected. You won't be able to give your 100% when you are in that pain all the time.
because I'm not able to understand how to make her understand because
You tell her openly. You tell her openly. Yoga will help you up to this extent. I'll be able to counsel, but apart from me, you need an extra hand who will be able to understand your situation and give you the correct.
क्या ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि भाई अपने ही किसी ऐसी एक कहानी
That's
बना
what.
दें कि भाई ऐसे हमारे किसी के साथ ऐसा होता था और ऐसे ठीक होता है ऐसे कुछ बता सकते हैं
They'll not understand.
हाँ
नहीं करते बिकॉज उनका वेट भी बहुत ज्यादा है और शी
Yeah.
इज नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल हर इन एनीथिंग मतलब इनफैक्ट हर स्टेटमेंट इज दिस की she has so much sugar craving. She said ki if someone tell me na ki it has sugar and it has poison also, so for some time I will not eat, but after some time I will think कि मरना तो है ही एक दिन तो sugar खा
I
ही
know. I know.
लेंगे.
So yeah, such people,
That kind of person.
they need help, man. Then in that case, they need help. You can't do much. Simple, because those people will be able to tackle in a very different way.
That is her
Ma'am,
statement. So मतलब when I ask her ना कि limit the sugar, otherwise your weight can't be under control. So she said कि नहीं मुझे ऐसा हो जाता है, what should I do?
Emotional it is. So usually when they are too much into this zone, na, stress या harm ऐसे रहते, they don't have control. Hunger cravings are they don't have, especially when person is going through any kind of stress or depression also, they'll not have control. They want to eat it. So that उनका जो depression stress level रहता है ना, they think it goes down with when they
Yeah.
eat it.
Yeah,
So
she feels
it
in
is
this
one of
way.
the main
She
factor for
says
depression.
कि if someone is taunting me and someone is saying negative about me, then I have a chocolate and then I don't
हाँ.
care whatever other person
Yes,
is
yes,
saying.
yes, correct, correct. So nothing but कोई sign है depression का एक है. Better get it into.
ma'am, I had one experience. I want to share that. One boy was there. He was around 32 years old, and he was having depression and early stage diabetes mellitus. So it was because of his stress, and he was not aware about it. It was, going to be very bad for that. So what we do was we directly started some, relaxation techniques and all without telling him, okay, why we are doing it. But he enjoyed it very well. And धीरे धीरे से we made him understand that your stress level was on the peak. So we started it, and gradually he understood and he enjoyed the process. And उसके बाद उनको ऐसे मतलब addiction सा हो गया था कि वो relaxation रोज उनको चाहिए. So in that way, we, gradually made him understand that this was the issue. So that can also be done in such cases.
Actually, you have to make them. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but if you want to genuinely help ना, then please, it will be very good for them. Do it. It will be. Okay. There are many people like that actually. Many people.
Because मतलब किसी को एकदम से ये कहना कि आप डिप्रेशन में हो, it also feel मतलब
You
bad.
you can't tell them. See, the thing, as I told, depression word है ना. अगर for example अगर मैं आपको बोल दूंगी ना, then even you will not be able to take it. I'll tell you something. If someone tells me also ना, I'll tell you, because that's a human tendency. We have been feeded like that. Even how much ever we are into the practice or whatever, we are not वो system ही ऐसे हो गया mental. But there is lot of importance. Now तो trust me, I tell my patients, अगर ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है ना उनके family circle में या work, I seriously tell them nothing wrong, go for therapy session. And if you remember, I was telling one of my patients, she's about to deliver and she was in therapy sessions. And touch wood, she's done beautiful job, that lady has done. And even postnatal, I asked her to continue. And yes, she's doing a very good job. Nothing wrong in that. इतना है कि not everyone will be so open or broad-minded to understand that. But if she's open, let her do it. नहीं तो we can't do much. Okay, done, ma. Okay, thank you so much. Next we'll go, ma. Snehal. Done.
Namaste everyone. I think my case is very simple. 10 weeks pregnant, her age is 35 years and healthy and energetic. As she is healthy and energetic, it is easy for me to prepare a class for according to me. So I will focus more on her strengthening part. In the beginning, I will talk to her for 5 minutes, or I'll try to understand her mind stability as she is in third trimester. So next, I will start the class by chanting Omkara and a few affirmations. I'll make her to close her eyes and I'll chant few affirmations for her and just make her to listen that. And like, I am happy, I am healthy, I have so much of time to prepare myself for a happy and healthy baby, and I will try my best. And then I will start few sukshma vyayams like wrist rotations, ankle rotations, shoulder rotations, neck rotations, and then few asanas like Gomukhasan and Setubandhasan, Marjaryasan, Vyaghrasan, Tadasan, Vrikshasan. These asanas will improves her focus and concentration. And I'll ask her to avoid pelvic openers like Kalyasan, Malasan, Quads, and crow walk. So there may be of miscarriages. And breathing techniques like I'll ask her to do 3 techniques like Nadi Shodhan, that it will balance the all 72,000 nadis, and abdominal breathing and yogic breathing. In mudras, three mudras I will ask her to do. Dhyana mudra for concentration, and yoni mudra and for strengthening part of the reproductive system, and prana mudra for the strength. As the fetus don't have its own prana till 3 months, it will help. Prana mudra will help to the mother as well as the fetus for the energy. And as she is already active and energetic, then activity we can give her like pottery making, gardening, planting, and dancing, so that she will enjoy these activities. And in cleansing technique, we can give her Trataka and mantra. I'll focus more on Omkara as the baby is in growth stage, so that the Omkara and the vibrations of Omkara will help for a baby for the growth. Gayatri mantra and Saraswati mantra, or any deity that she is believing in. Meditation, breathe awareness, mantra meditation, and I can ask her for if she is comfortable, then swimming, but not more than 30 minutes. Then Kayastherium, and in nutrition, as she is healthy, and I will not ask her to alter her diet routine. I will just give her a brief knowledge about the diet, that starting as she is in 3rd trimester, so she should take more liquid intakes, and that's it. Thank you.
And the case was 10th week, na? So somewhere
Third
she used third trimester,
Yeah, I
and
think it. Yeah.
2 places
Sorry.
we used third
At first
trimester.
trimester. By mistakenly I told that. It is first trimester. Sorry.
A very healthy, simple case, but there is one restriction I kept in your case, if you see.
35 years.
35 years.
Age restriction.
Age restrictions, we have to be little careful, because usually about 30-35 we'll consider that as little bit of high risk. So we need to be careful at least till 12 to 16 weeks when you're planning for asanas.
Yes.
Apart from
But-
that, yes,
Ma'am,
please.
nowadays girls are married in 29 and they think for career stability they should not bear the child for 2-3 years. Then I think the trend will go on like this way, because I have a student who is 29 years, and she said ki for 2-3 years so I don't want a baby because we both have very much work stress. So after that I will plan. And her body is very tight. Matlab, she has done gym and all, so her calf muscles, hamstrings, all are very tight. Upper body is fine, but lower body is very tight. So what to do in these cases?
Nothing, just tell them like, don't think 3 years, 4 years. Take your chances, that's it. Healthy pregnancy, take your chances.
Okay.
Don't be poking us now.
But also the mental part plays, that just the age limit we can't figure out for birthing a child. Like I had my baby when I was like 30. So it all depends how healthy you're carrying your body. That also affects your pregnancy plan.
I advised her whenever you plan, just take 3 to 6 months back. कि मतलब you need to focus on your diet and your routine as well, you and your husband, then plan a baby. But she said कि no, अभी 2, 3 years तो we don't want.
At the end of the
And
day,
she is
mentally they have to
about
prepare.
to complete 30.
Mentally they should be prepared. 30, 35, 37, it's fine. But abhi na, if they're maintaining a good lifestyle, na, even 35 doesn't matter. See, I had it when I crossed 37, actually, I'll tell you in fact.
Yeah.
So many people said you can't. Like, it's not about I can't or something like that, but I was pretty confident because the way I was living, I knew what I was doing, how I was putting effort on my physical and mental part. And so I would not say or advise young girls to do what I have done it, but I would definitely say it's better don't delay it. That is what, because
But
the physical and mental challenges will be very different when you cross 35.
most of them don't have the lifestyle which will be okay even in the 30, like 37 years age में भी okay हो सकता है, ऐसी lifestyle होती नहीं है.
Yeah,
नहीं,
she is
but
right.
यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा contradictory रहूंगी. This is our opinion about others. But
Exactly.
if I am, see, if I will tell my case, my first pregnancy was an abortion, and it was choice abortion, right? पहले ही हुआ था. So when I was doing it, my doctor said, don't do it. I'm telling you a true story which my parents and my any family member didn't know about it till my daughter was 6 year old. I'm telling you this because I just want to remove this. यहाँ पे कुछ ट्रुथ नहीं है या राइट रॉन्ग नहीं है. सो एज ए यंग गर्ल, मेरी शादी 24 में हुई, 25 में प्रेगनेंसी फर्स्ट. I did not want to have a baby, my husband also, and doctor said नहीं, first pregnancy you should not abort, आपको बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बेबी नहीं होगा. So all kind of scary things I was told, but somehow I was like, तो इसके लिए मैं ले आऊं एंड उसके बाद पैनिक से लड़ूं, डिप्रेशन वगैरह तब होता मुझे अगर मैं उसको कर लेती, राइट? सो वेरी स्ट्रांगली आई डिड इट. नन ऑफ माय फैमिली मेंबर न्यू अबाउट इट. आई वेंट थ्रू दैट डीएनसी का इशू ऑल्सो. Again, 4 years ka gap I had when I planned my baby. And trust me when I say this, I took care of myself. I was doing my workouts. I was doing everything. जब प्रेगनेंसी हुई तो मैंने भाग दौड़ नहीं मचाई कि ससुराल जाके आ जाऊं, वो कर लूं. I was taking care of myself. And I can say that I had a very healthy pregnancy. So it is यहाँ और बॉडी दोनों का कोऑर्डिनेशन से होता है. किसी एक को ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी दोगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. एंड गलती तो आप बहुत हेल्दी रहो. माई मासी हैज टू one expired after 6 years. She had some epileptic problem and she was completely healthy person. Second baby again autistic born हुआ है. After lakhs and lakhs of expenditure, third baby girl she's okay. Now imagine about that. So pregnancy is something which is still not nailed by science also when it will be. So go ahead, live your life the way you want. आपका दिमाग और बॉडी कोऑर्डिनेशन में होना चाहिए. सॉरी मैंने एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लेके बोला ये, बट this is something I wanted
Their
to
own
share.
personal choices, but definitely don't restrictions. You need to just start. That's it. Whatever it is there, it comes in, and it is supposed to happen when it is supposed to happen. How much ever you force, you do whatever. No. See, there is something which is
All I feel that
unknown.
let's not judge the new generation because वो भी अगर डिले कर रहे हैं तो उनकी अपनी चॉइस है. नहीं होगा तो उनको चैलेंज समझ में आएगा. We all live our journey.
Right. Okay. Next, we'll go Ria. Then we'll go. Come.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So my case is 24 weeks pregnant with insomnia and leg cramp. So 26 weeks pregnant मतलब 6 महीने. तो मतलब बेबी काफी ग्रो हो चुका है, बम्प भी बाहर आ गया है, एंड अभी इंसोम्निया है, लेग क्रैम्प है. तो इंसोम्निया का रीजन ये हो सकता है कि बेबी की ग्रोथ के वजह से डायफ्राम जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से सांस लेना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. प्लस बाकी ऑर्गन्स पे भी प्रेशर आ जाता है, तो बार बार यूरिनेट के लिए जाना पड़ता है. थोड़ा सा नौशिया का प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो उसकी वजह से नींद डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है. एंड अभी बेबी के वेट हो रहा है, खुद का भी वेट बढ़ रहा है, तो लेग्स में भी क्रैम्प्स आ सकता है वजन बढ़ने के कारण. सो दिस इज द असेसमेंट अबाउट द लेडी. एंड अभी इसमें अवॉइड ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि ज्यादा स्टैंडिंग एक्सरसाइजेस नहीं दे सकते, क्योंकि ज्यादा देर तक देंगे तो थक सकते हैं और आगे की बाकी की प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड ज्यादातर रिलैक्सिंग एक्सरसाइजेस देने चाहिए, क्योंकि नींद का प्रॉब्लम है, तो रिलैक्स हो जाएंगे तो रात को सोने में तकलीफ कम होगी. एंड प्लस ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज पे ज्यादा फोकस करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि डायफ्राम टाइट होने के वजह से शोल्डर ओपनिंग चेस्ट ओपनिंग वाले एक्सरसाइज ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। तो अभी 60 मिनट्स का क्लास है, एक दिन का प्लान मैंने बनाया है। तो फिर इसको स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं विथ नॉर्मल सूक्ष्म व्यायाम जिसमें सारे जॉइंट्स एंड शोल्डर रोटेशंस का मूवमेंट होगा फ्रॉम हेड टू टो। एंड उसमें थोड़ा सा स्टैंडिंग आसन भी डाल सकता है जिसमें शी कैन बेंड फॉरवर्ड बट पैरों में डिस्टेंस ज्यादा रख सकता है और हाथ पूरे नीचे रखने के बजाय कोई टेबल पे या फिर चेयर पे सपोर्ट लग के रख सकता है जिससे लेग स्ट्रेच होगा। लेग स्ट्रेच होने की वजह से लेग स्ट्रांग भी हो सकता है जिससे लेग क्रैम्प में प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएंगी। एंड फिर सूक्ष्म व्यायाम होने के बाद थोड़ा सा बैठ के लाइट शोल्डर बैक ट्विस्ट कर सकता है जिससे बैक भी स्ट्रांग रहेगी, लोअर बैक स्ट्रांग रहेगा, जिससे ऑटोमेटिकली लेग्स पे भी इफेक्ट आएगा। एंड उसके बाद जेंटल वार्म अप के लिए मैंने सोचा कि कैट एंड काउ कर सकते हैं बैक स्ट्रांग करने के लिए अगेन। एंड फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग कर सकते हैं लेकिन लेग्स में डिस्टेंस रख के पेट के नीचे पिलो रख के एंड प्लस टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ द बेल्ट। जो हम बेल्ट लेते हैं वो पैर पे रख के हाथ से पकड़ के दे कैन स्ट्रेच देयर बैक एंड दे कैन स्ट्रेच देयर हैमस्ट्रिंग्स। सो इतना वार्म अप रख सकते हैं होल्डिंग द आसन फॉर 5 to 10 breaths। एंड देन मेन प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैंने सोचा बद्ध कोणासन ले सकता है, putting the pillow on both the knees, under both the knees and just holding the breath with back straight। अभी अगर बैठने के लिए तकलीफ हो रही है तो she can relax the back on her wall पे रिलैक्स होके भी बैठ सकता है। Then second बालासन एंड सपोर्टेड ब्रिज पोज कर सकता है। सपोर्टेड ब्रिज पोज इसलिए क्योंकि बेबी का वजन ज्यादा है तो ज्यादा देर तक पोज नहीं रख पाएंगे, तो पिलो रख सकते हैं नीचे या फिर ब्लॉक भी रख सकता है। एंड नेक्स्ट इज लेग अप द वॉल, मतलब विपरीत करनी रख सकता है जिससे लेग स्ट्रेच भी होगा प्लस ब्लड फ्लो के वजह से ब्रेन काम भी हो सकता है, नींद के लिए हेल्प कर सकता है। नेक्स्ट इज हैप्पी बेबी पोज, लेट के लेग स्ट्रेच कर सकता है थोड़ा सा वाइड अपार्ट रख के ताकि बेली के लिए सपोर्ट मिल जाए। नेक्स्ट इज फिश पोज कर सकता है, नेक के नीचे और शोल्डर के नीचे पिलो का सपोर्ट रख के एंड रोटेटिंग द हेड क्राउन सेक्शन ऑन द मैट। सो इससे भी ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होगा, चेस्ट ओपन होगा क्योंकि शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स्ड है एंड ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट करने के लिए इजी हो सकता है। और एक लास्ट आसन मेन प्रैक्टिस के लिए वज्रासन कर सकते हैं इफ शी इज कंफर्टेबल। तो फिर वज्रासन में भी शी कैन टेक सपोर्ट ऑफ द पिलो, स्प्रेडिंग द नीज अपार्ट एंड देन पिलो रख के उसके ऊपर शी कैन सिट। एंड और एक एक्सरसाइज उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं, वेरिएशन इज कि शी कैन कीप द हैंड्स बिहाइंड हर बैक एंड शी कैन स्ट्रेच बैकवर्ड्स सो दैट चेस्ट ओपन हो जाएगा। अगेन शी कैन इनहेल एंड एक्सेल नॉर्मली और ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकता है। So this is the main asan, holding each asan for again 5 to 10 breaths. And then for pranayam and mantra chanting के लिए ओम chanting मैं suggest करूंगी क्योंकि she has insomnia problem and ओम chanting will help to release the stress, calm the body, calm the mind, relaxation and to easily fall asleep. Plus deep breathing कर सकते हैं, keeping the hand on your chest and your belly। एंड प्लस प्राणायाम के लिए नादी शोधना प्राणायाम कर सकता है which will also help to calm her down and give her relaxation। And chest opening breathing, just to inhale as you breathe in and chest keeping the shoulders behind and again while exhaling contracting it, which will also help her to practice the breathe in breathe out whenever she feels a little anxious or nauseous। And then after pranayam and mantra chanting she can relax। मुद्रा दे सकता है, ज्ञान मुद्रा, चिन्ह मुद्रा दे सकता है और हृदय मुद्रा दे सकता है। और अभी फॉर रिलैक्सेशन योग निद्रा आई वुड सजेस्ट क्योंकि स्लीपिंग प्रॉब्लम अगेन इंसोम्निया ये बहुत बड़ा इश्यू हो जाता है कभी कभी, इसके वजह से इरिटेशन एंड डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी भी ट्रिगर हो सकता है। सो इसके लिए आई थिंक 10 to 11 minutes ऑफ योग निद्रा विल बी सफिशिएंट, लाइक नॉट एवरी डे बट अल्टरनेट डे कुड हेल्प। एंड जिसमें लाइट सपोर्ट दे सकता है below her neck और knees के नीचे। and if she wants she can also turn her body towards right side, तो पेट के नीचे भी पिलो रख सकता है। so इससे रिलैक्स भी रहेगा बॉडी प्लस जो स्क्रिप्ट रहेगा while डिक्टेटिंग लाइक योग निद्रा के लिए जो गाइडेड योग निद्रा रहता है उसके टाइम पे भी she can also imagine and feel the relaxation process। और फिर डाइट के लिए आई वुड सजेस्ट, अभी 6 मंथ प्रेग्नेंट लेडी है तो फिर रेगुलर डाइट कर सकता है, लाइक ऑल 4 or 5 meals a day, रेगुलर वाटर ड्रिंकिंग, न्यूट्रिशंस में आयरन, कैल्शियम, प्रोटीन, एवरीथिंग शी कैन हैव। एंड स्लीप प्रॉब्लम है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि मिल्क, रात को सोने से पहले मिल्क प्लस उसमें हल्दी और पेपर डाल के मिल्क ले सकता है। एंड ऑल्सो स्लीपिंग के लिए और एक आइडिया ऐसा है कि रात को सोने से पहले गर्म पानी में अगर पैर रख के सोए तो नींद अच्छी आती है। सो दिस कुड ऑल्सो हेल्प हर टू रिलैक्स। एंड yep, that's it. Then we'll end the class. Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Anyone? Any doubts still here? 24
Ma'am.
weeks. हाँ ma'am.
Standing asanas कर सकते हैं।
वज्रासन no, if she has leg cramps,
Leg cramps है तो
वज्रासन नहीं करेंगे ना?
we can give.
थोड़ा सा like
I mentioned this if you remember in class also. Vajrasana is good in leg cramps.
And nadi shodhan,
right से breathe in, left से breathe out, again left से breathe in, right से breathe out. Pranayam, inhalation, exhalation.
so alternate nostril anulom vilom and nadi shodhan is different, no ma'am? Nadi shodhan mein we hold the breath and anulom vilom mein it's continuous.
Okay.
Different in the
Where are
two states,
Anulom-Vilom?
different. What she's saying is also
Alternate
taught.
breathing.
Few schools, institutes, they name it differently, but right inhalations will not prefer during pregnancy till at least 36 to 37. Then yes, alternate will give shield.
So ma'am, alternate breathe in, breathe out कर सकता है ना? So that
But
is
left to say,
हाँ?
left to say start.
अच्छा, left से start.
हाँ,
Okay.
हाँ.
So right से start होने वाला वो कौन सा प्राणायाम?
Again, same thing. Not to show that they say there many people give holding and few people they start with right.
Okay, okay.
It is.
Okay. ठीक है.
Standing asanas जो शुरू में रिया ने बताया like cramp है तो can we do that?
हाँ, she can do leg cramps के लिए it will help.
Cramp के लिए.
Standing will help actually. Tadasana and all will definitely help. But standing के all she can do it.
और मैम अगेन एक
Holding
डिबेटेबल
it
हो
for
जाता है
5 to
कि
10
पैर
minutes.
अगर swelling है तो
Swelling no, she doesn't
what
have
are
swelling.
then
She
cramps
has the leg cramps. For
cramps
leg
right
cramps, you
I'm
will give standing.
sorry I
Just the
perceived
muscle
it as
strength.
well.
No, yeah, right. You mentioned correct, right? Yes, Jyoti, you want to say something?
Ma'am, for insomnia, diaphragmatic breathing is very helpful. Na? Pranayam number 4, abdominal breathing.
You can give. You can also give Brahmari Ujjayi.
Yeah, because I recommend this to the people who don't get sleep at night, and their feedback was that this pranayam is very helpful
It will
when
help.
they do it.
All pranayamas are very, very helpful in insomnia condition. All pranayam.
इंसोमिया
हाँ.
इंसोमिया में एक और चीज है जो मैंने कहीं सीखा था कि if a person is like really troubled by that, then make them read like anything they can pick except for violent and all, any book or any newspaper they can choose and read same thing every day. That also like for half an hour read every day, that puts you to sleep. This is something prescribed by a doctor.
But one more thing, Riya, you can also give them Trataka.
Yes.
Insomnia के लिए Trataka also we can give. Anything else?